So today's topic, it is all about topographic versus orthophoto maps. So have you ever noticed how maps look like drawings with symbols, while others look like actual photos taken from the above? Today we are going to explore the difference between a topographic map and an orthophoto map. So by the end of this session, you will be able to identify both maps and explain what they are used for. So with me, I have both maps and topographic map and on orthophoto maps. Please share. We will start by explaining a topographic map. So it is a detailed drawn map that uses symbols, colors to represent both natural and human-made features. So for example, rivers are shown in blue colors in the map, roads are shown with lines, and schools are represented with symbols. So one of the most important features of a topographic map is the contour lines. So these lines connect places of the same height above sea level. So they actually help us see the shape of the land, whether it's flat, gentle, or sloping, or very steep. As you can see on the board, I've drawn different types of the contour line. This is a gentle slope contour line, and this one is a steep slope contour line. The lines of the steep slope contour line are very close to each other, while the lines of okay, as you can see on the board, I have drawn these different two types of contour between it's a steep slope. So displays. We will start by explaining a topographic map. A topographic map, it is a detailed drawn map that uses symbols and colors to represent both natural and human-made features. For example, rivers are shown in blue colors, roads with lines, schools with special symbols. So one of the most important features of the topographic map is contour lines. These lines connect places same height above sea levels. They help us see the shape of the land, whether it's flat, gently sloping, or very steep. So this is the map of the topography. Okay. We will go to orthophoto maps. So an orthophoto map looks very different from that one of the topography. An orthophoto map, it is an aerial photograph of the land, but it has been corrected to scale so that we can use it like a map. Instead of symbols, we see the real appearance of features like fields, buildings, roads. So here you can see the actual image of a dam and surrounding farms. It's not that one of topographic with just drawings exactly. So you see the actual picture. If it's a building, it's a building. You see a picture of a building. So however, they have their own key differences. So a topographic maps are drawn with symbols, as I have already explained, and contour lines. While the orthophoto maps are real photos that have been adjusted to scales. So it means that they just take a photo of an area and then they adjust it so that it can fit into a paper so that you can be able to see. So I have a few questions for you. Okay, you will look onto those maps that I have given you. Which map will help you see the actual appearance of a farm? Yes, very good. The second question, which map makes it easier to calculate the height and slope using contour lines? Very good. So I'm going to give you, or as I've already given you both topographic and orthophoto map. So in pairs, now you are going to identify one feature. Okay, let me make an example, a river or a road, and explain how it looks on both maps. It means that you and your partner, you are going to choose a feature that you can see on that map. So, but you are going to do, if you are going to pick a river, you are going to identify how is it explained on shown on the orthophoto map, you understand? So it means that I just want you to explain how it looks on both maps. Can we do that first activity first? Time is up. Can we have answers? I'll start with the first group. You are the first group.
In order for us to identify a dam, by looking at the references at the back of the topographical map, we see that the dam has a dam wall. So that's how it is for us to identify a dam.
So just explain the first one, how you were able to identify on the first one. So you must also explain on the second one.
Like on the topographic map, like we can recognize the national freeway by the capital N, and the color is blue and red.
On the orthophoto. Okay. So the second question, it will be, so as you can see on the topographic map, you will see it as a symbol. Okay, let's say that in the topographic map, they show you features as symbols. Okay, let's just do a recap. So, let's just do a quick recap. So, as I've already explained, that the topographic map uses symbols, colors, and contours to represent features, while the orthophoto maps are aerial photos corrected to scale in real life. So, surveyors, town planners, geographers use both maps together. The topographic map for measurements and contour details, and the orthophoto map to see the actual landscape. Thank you so much. We will meet in our next session next week.